So I'm back from like 8 to 9 months of hibernation. And by hibernation, I mean sophomore year. Yay! Anyways, I was wanting to do a review of this face mask because I was going through my cabinet the other day and I realized that I had this in here. And it's a peel-off mask and I've been wanting to try one of these. So, fun. So apparently it is a two-step peel mask thing. So like I have to rub something on my face and then a sheet mask, I guess. Okay. I actually don't know how long I've had this in my cabinet. I wonder if these can expire. Hopefully not. Guess we'll find out. Oh well. I'm assuming the top part would be part 1, right? I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair back because I don't want to get anything stuck in my hair because that'd be a nightmare. Alright, my hair is in a braid and hopefully it'll stay on my face for the majority of this, so let's get started, I guess. Okay. Woo, that's perfumey. Okay. Woo. If my skin breaks out, this is gonna be interesting. Ooh, my nails might make this interesting actually. Hold up. Okay, I guess that's what we're gonna have to do with it. It's supposed to exfoliate your skin. I'm honestly considering skipping this part because of how fragrant it is. Yeah, you know what? Better judgment tells me to skip that part. We're not doing that. I am gonna really rub it on my wrist though and just like see if that breaks out later. Because if it does, fun. So already, fragrance. Lovely. Love that. Ugh. It's gonna be interesting. I wonder if it's gonna completely change what happens with this. I mean, I did exfoliate my skin yesterday, so hopefully it won't be much of a problem if it does need to be exfoliated. Okay, this one isn't as fragrant, thank goodness. Okay. Okay, face masks are honestly kind of annoying because you have to unfold them, and I always feel like I'm gonna rip them, and then I'm not gonna be able to use them. Well, I guess I could still use them. I just have to like put them on my face like a puzzle piece. Puzzle piece, like a puzzle. Ugh. Can't tell if that's tiny for a face mask or if that's big for a face mask. Yeah, that's definitely not as fragrant as the other one. It's honestly good it's a two-step though, because then if people's skin is sensitive or tends to be sensitive, then they can just skip it. There we go, guys. It's gonna. I was actually thinking this was gonna be like a peel mask, not like a sheet mask. So this is actually kind of like, this is a relief. Imagine if we all just kind of like, this was our face. This was our form of makeup in the world. We just slap one of these babies on and be like, I'm ready for whatever. This could be interesting. It says keep on for like 15 to 20 minutes. Yep, hopefully my skin doesn't break out and it actually likes the sheet mask. So we'll be back like 15 to 20 minutes and see what happens, I guess. Once I wipe off my hands and can actually stop the camera. And we're back. I had to wipe my camera because I think I got some stuff on it, but we're just gonna take this off. Yeah, that definitely had a fragrance. That's fun. I'm just gonna like rub that in, I guess. I'm gonna end up wiping the rest of it off though, so we'll just see how this goes. I actually am gonna let that sit on my skin for a little bit. Hopefully it'll soak in. I'm going to do an update in, I don't know, a couple hours, and hopefully my skin won't break out or anything. But I mean, it looks okay right now. I can't tell much difference. My face does feel less inflamed, so that's good because it was not feeling great. So yeah. Guess we'll catch up in a couple of hours. So it's been about 2 hours since I took off the mask and no signs of breaking out, which is nice. My face doesn't really feel any more or less inflamed, but it looks a little less inflamed. I washed my face and did my regular skincare routine, which is just like 3 things. So I give it a 5 out of 10. Like, it's not a super noticeable difference. It didn't make my skin break out. So yeah, 5 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will leave a picture of what the mask looked like because I didn't do that earlier. And have a good day.